So, let's go and find some Munchie Grunch. These are really rare sweets. Come on, it may even take days for us to find one Munchie Grunch. So, you three look at the park. Or just let one of you look in the park. The one with the tall neck should be good there. The one with the tall neck should be good by there. And the plastic source with the leafy should be good over there. And some Munchie Grunch. You should be good over here. And this family should be good to look here. And rest of you just stay and look here. These sides. For some Munchie Grunch. Just let it be whatever brunch or grunch. I like to call it Munchie Grunch. And now, you look at the top. Why don't you look at the top lying down? Yeah, that would be good. Why don't you just look at the side? Yeah. Ask Roar Fanstar to help too. Hey, Roar Fanstar! Yes, I'm here for you. What do you want? We want some Munchie Grunch. Oh yeah, Munchie Grunch. Those are really rare sweets. But they're delicious. It's worth the effort to look for them. I think I may have found some Munchie Grunch. So, I think it is that a twiggly kind of plant. Yes, this kind of stick thing. What? No, that's not a Munchie Grunch. They're really hard to find. But it should be good. Well, I may have found it. Oh, where is a Pastosaurus? So, follow me. I'm sure I found it. Go across this river, boing, and boing, and boing, and boom, and pump, and I can fly, and pew, cha. So, where do we go next? Go past that tree, go there, come to there, go past that tree, go there, come to there, go past that tree, go there, come to there, go past that tree, come to there, go past that tree. You're right! You did really find some Munchie Grunch. And there's dozens for everybody. Whoopee! But it's so high up, even I can't reach the trolley. Looks like we need Roar Fanstar's help. Roar Fanstar? Yes, what do you want? You called me 3 times, here's the third. What do you want? Can you get that Munchie Grunch for us? Munchie Grunch, how delicious. Let's get some. Eat this. I'm still hungry, Rory Fanstar. So let me just put this piece of Munchie Grunch away, everybody. I placed that Munchie Grunch back. So now, I'm so hungry. Let's get some more Munchie Grunch for you. Enjoy. It's raining Munchie Grunch. Clouds made of Munchie Grunch. So, more Munchie Grunch. Now we're still hungry, but the Munchie Grunch cloud is gone. Special, we're teeny. Let's look for. Hey, I may have found some more Munchie Grunch for you. Bring it to you. That's all? Yes, that's all. But you can look for other tasty, other foodie booties. So, some propabi. Ooh, propabi, the most delicious food ever. When Dino Adventures in the Danger of the Volcano. Wow. Ooh. So I'll find it and I'll tell you the route for it. So I'll pause the video. I found it. Oh, I did too. Remember when I was here? I saw it. So, really? Oh, there it is. I'm gonna fly there. What do you see over there? Solidami. Let's get some. Hey, everybody. Oopsie, that sounds like danger. Well, you're sure in danger. He's out. Whoa. Even I'm not tall enough. Rory Fan Star? What do you want? So, can you get that leaf for us? It's so good. The most delicious thing in Dino Adventures in the Danger of the Volcano. Okay, I'll get it for you. Not the flower. You can have the seeds for the flower and the flower for it. So, there you go. Oops. Raining clouds of it. The clouds getting higher and higher. That's enough. That will make you hungry. Well, everybody, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So I've actually made this after. So actually, I've before made this video that is after this. I've just made the past for you to enjoy it. I actually didn't make plan on the past, but since you would enjoy it, I made the past for you. So goodbye. Let's let it reach 8. Don't let the time lose.